Alright, so I just had a pretty life-changing event happen. I went in the fridge and found that Lee's from yesterday. It's got some biscuits in here too. Some leftover biscuits. 2 biscuits were left, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of chicken left. 2 thighs, a drumstick, and a wing there. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna put that in the toaster oven, and then I'll throw the biscuits in the last few minutes. Throw the biscuits in the last few minutes, and that'll that was a nice surprise. Yeah, and I have butter for those biscuits too. The little butter packs. Yeah, see that? That's what they gave us. So that'll be tasty. Tasty. See if I can see my reflection. I can't, but it's tasty.